Welcome to Vocab Loco. In this video, you'll learn how to create a custom word list group and add your first list. The first step to set up your own vocabulary program from scratch. From your teacher dashboard, click Word Lists in the left sidebar, then select the Custom Word List tab at the top of the page. Click New Group for Lists in the toolbar. A window will appear where you can name your group and choose a cover image. Use a descriptive name that's easy to find later, something like Grade 5 Science. Pick a cover image so your group is easy to spot at a glance and click Save. You'll land directly on the group's edit page. This is where you'll set up all the word lists that belong to this group. You have three options: create a list manually, generate with AI, or import words from an existing source. In this video, we'll go with create a list manually. Give it a name, for example, Week 1 Vocabulary. Then start typing your words one by one. Each word is added to the list as you go. Your list is now part of the group and ready to use. Assign it to students, generate worksheets from it, or come back and add more words at any time. Repeat the process to add as many lists as your group needs. And that's it. With your group and first list in place, you're ready to set up your vocabulary program. If you have any questions, visit the knowledge base. We're happy to help.